Yeah, I'm glad to brief about a bit of myself and our organization also. My name is Mahesh Mudda. I've been associated with this group, Jasdanwala group, for last 36 years. It's a good, great journey for me. I started as an accounts officer and presently I am a managing director and CEO of the company, and I represent promoter group now. It's a great journey, but maximum credit of this I give to our chairman, Mr. Jasdanwala, who is 87-year-old gentleman. I can't say 87-year-old because he's still young, with kind of energy he has and kind of experience he brings for all of us, which keeps us on our toes and because keep moving. So to talk about our organization, because it's a 75-year-old organization. Again, I'll say 75-year young organization. We are celebrating our 75th year now, and we have a pan-India presence, and we work almost all the states in this country, and we do all superstructure, because whether it is residential, commercial, IT parks, hotels, hospitals, you say anything, because high-rise, probably because we are pioneer and we are the number one in this country to create a lot of monuments in most of the states. So that gives us a great pride to share with anybody, saying that yes, we are the first in many fields. So we come a long way, and when we talk about the longevity, we talk about because there is no end to it. It goes to the infinity. So to say about the future growth of our organization, yes, we want to really grow very rich in terms of our values, our ethics, our commitments, which is very important in our business. End of the day, because whoever we are connected with them, because we don't ever say that we are working as a contractor. We say we are your construction partner. So that partnership, because is going very strong with many of the clients. We have been working with our partners with 5 years, 10 years, 20, 30, 40, 50 years to say. So it's a great matter of pride which has come through the great value system, because instilled by our chairman again here, and maximum credit goes to again our staff, who are again very dedicated and very committed. To talk about Builders Association of India, it is again one of the oldest organization of this country, founded in 1941. So and have a presence almost all the states, including the smallest place in this country. More than 150 centers we have, and I had the privilege of being chairman of Mumbai Center for 2 terms. National level, I represented as a treasurer, general secretary. Now presently I am representing as a chairman of the skill development committee. So end of the day, because these all organizations are made up by the people, because it's all voluntary work. The kind of involvement, because our fraternity people, they are giving for the cause of the fraternity members, is amazing. We take up a lot of issues at state level, we take up issues at the central government level, and there is always preference given to the Builders Association of India, because it is one of the oldest, and most of the best builders and developers and contractors are our members. So it's a great platform, and because one should really approach and go through the BI for all their issues, and I can assure that any of the issues can be resolved without any hassle. Whilst we're working with many of the clients and many of the projects in 75 is a long time, but then things have changed drastically. I mean, for good, I will say. In terms of the sustainability, if you have to talk, I think most of our projects today, because all are IGBC certified, gold and platinum, because the certifications, we take pride again, because building is not just building, because we say that it has a life into it, and it has to be sustainable, and it cannot be at the cost of the environment. So we've been very particular. At times, if for some reason if clients have not really given serious thought to it, we bring it to their notice, and we get this committed from them, saying that yes, our building has to be IGBC certified. And we take pride into mentioning all the time, saying that because we are one of the contractor where we have most of our building IGBC certified and sustainability. Because it's matter of not only pride, it's the matter of taking the responsibility of the society and in terms of the environment also. So I think that's the way to go, and everybody must follow strictly for the betterment of the society. I'm very happy to be known and associated, I can say, with because Nippon Paints, and they are again one of the oldest organization, and they come out with a lot of good initiatives, and they are one of the initial pioneer members of the IGBC, and they promote very strongly. And I learned that because I'm very happy to mention here that their president, Mr. Mahesh is taking over as a vice chairman of the IGBC Chennai chapter. I'm sure because this kind of initiative by the fraternity members and taking their giving their time and giving their inputs is definitely going to help industry in a great way. And as I learned that Nippon Paints, they keep doing a lot of good great initiatives also. So one of them is the promoting the ladies painters, which is very because encouraging step from their end, and through their Nari Shakti program, they have been promoting a lot of lady painters, which is a welcome initiative. And I have already spoken to most of our site in charge and technical people. They should definitely get in touch and promote this, which is very important in our country, because to give that inclusive message to the whole country for that matter. Yeah, another good thing which I wanted to share here, that because we've been working with many of the big developers like us, many of the contractors in this country, because they have been associated with big developers. But the great initiative again taken by the Nippon Paint India is through the platform of ACED, giving an opportunity to the young, experienced, and every architect for that matter too. Because normally architects are one, because you never seen them advertising about their own business, because it happens through the word of mouth. But this is an excellent opportunity and platform created through the ACED, where all of them can come and showcase their strength, their experience, or whatever their value addition to the industry through this platform, where because it will be well appreciated by the architects, developers, and because end users for that matter. My sincere thanks to Nippon Paint India for taking me as a member of the jury for ACED, and I'm sure because this is an excellent initiative, and through this we're going to spread a lot of good knowledge which is going to be useful not for individual, not for fraternity, but for whole of a country, I'll say. So I'm extremely happy that they thought of me being part of it, and I'm sure because this is the beginning and long way to go.